Don't prepare the road for your kids. Prepare your kids for the road. Don't be scared because you don't have all the answers right away. You will learn through your experiences and you find your own way to happiness. Just because you got away with a bad decision, it doesn't make it a good decision. Speak with caution, even if someone forgives harsh words you have spoken. This may be too hard to ever forget them. Don't leave a legacy of pain and regret of things you never should have said. It's not your fault. Things are the way they are. You need to have faith in yourself. Be brave and take risks. You don't have to have it all figured out to have move forward. Accept responsibility for your life. Know that it is you who will get you where you want to go, no one else. Make improvements, not excuses. Seek respect, not attention. Opportunities can become obstacles, the same way obstacles can become opportunities. It all depends on how they are being interpreted by the mind of a person. If you are going to apologize, you don't say, but after. Either you mean it or you don't. There are more things likely to frighten us than to crush us. We suffer more often in imagination than in reality. All we have to decide is what to do with the time that is given to us. Life moves pretty fast. If you don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it. Anger is an asset that can do more harm to the vessel in which it is stored than to anything on which it is poured. Fake love is mighty convincing in a world where real love is mighty rare. You can only lose what you cling to. If you want to find happiness, find gratitude. Accept that things happen. It may not be for a reason and you may have no control over it. But the first step to getting through it is accepting what it is. You will never be able to please everyone. So don't make your life revolve around being accepted by everyone. Don't rely on others to tell you how to be happy or what makes a good life. It's up to you to follow your heart and find happiness from them. Sometimes, which choose you make is not as important as making a choice and committing to do it. A denied acceptation hurts more than a denied hope, while a fulfilled hope makes us happier than a fulfilled expectation. Don't worry about controlling your emotions, control your actions. Don't wait for something good to happen. Realize that there are no participation trophies in life. Go out and do something for yourself. Success comes from action. There's no shame in saying I don't know. Nobody has all the answers. Pretending to be perfect doesn't make you perfect. Listen to your conscience and do the right thing, no matter because you can't put a price on self-respect. Whoever fights can lose. Whoever doesn't fight has already lost. We live longer when we are too busy